Can I get a picture of the belly?
Yeah, sure.
Can I see the belly?
Oh, my belly. Oh no. I know. I'm so sorry.
No.
It has.
You want me to turn sideways or this way?
Both.
Okay, so full belly.
Full belly. What is it?
Yeah, it's an uncomfortable feeling.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.